vlog. Good morning. Afternoon. We are ready for the day. Today is Portland, so welcome to the Portland vlog. Day 3. It is Portland.
It's Oregon.
Portland, Oregon.
Portland is a city in Oregon, but
yes.
I don't think we're going to Portland.
Oh, I don't know where we're going then. We're just going somewhere in Oregon. So I will take you along the journey today. I'm already ready, so we're just waiting on everyone else. And then we'll go in the car. And then we're going to Oregon. Miss Susie. Go Colin! Have fun! Well, no, gotta go Crystal driving, but Colin's having fun.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's
And they're back. How was that? Look, it's like the short. It's like the Disney Pixar short, but Piper, those birds. We're out here on the beach.
Oh, it's bright.
It is bright.
We made it!
Yes, the whole gang's here. They're looking for sand dollars.
Gang is here.
I already got my sand dollar. Pretty cool. I've never been to a beach like this before, and the fact that we just park cars here, like on it, that's crazy. It's just a whole different vibe I've never experienced before on a beach. Look, a real sand dollar. I've never seen one on the beach before. So cool. We're all so cold. We're like by the engine.
I'm gonna stand by these dogs, actually.
Try to get him. He's cute. Do you think he would run away? He has no neck. Why does he have no neck? Why can't we be your friend? Hi, I don't have food though. I just want to say hello. Oh, he's cute. Look at him and all his friends.
Later.
We're in this bowling alley place right now and we just got food. So exciting because I am starving. Plus I'm super warm now because it was so cold at the beach, and I don't know if you guys could even hear me clearly there, but hopefully you kind of can hear. But we're gonna dig in. Our friends are at the arcade right there. They're playing pool right now, so we'll join them after we eat. I'm just starving. I need to eat right now. What are you gonna say? Oh, he's taking off the tomato. Do you like it? Nope.
Disgusting!
He always tries and he doesn't like it, so I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna eat now. We'll catch up with you guys later. Hello vlog, we are back and we're just gonna do the same thing we did pretty much yesterday. We're gonna go hang out with the guys, probably watch a movie, make some cinnamon buns.
Cinnamon bun, the orange ones? You like orange or no?
Orange?
We got orange and regular.
What does orange mean? Like orange fruit?
Flavor, like a
I've never had that. It doesn't sound.
It's not great. I don't like it.
Oh, okay. Well, we ended up not going to Portland, but we did go to the beach, which was just as fun.
We'll save that for another time.
Yeah, we'll save it for another time because we still really want to go. So we'll probably do that trip sometime soon. But thank you guys for watching day 3. We'll see you tomorrow for day 4. I think we're gonna explore the city again, downtown. Yes. All right. Good night. Look how extra we are. So Kim took all these Polaroids for us that you've seen throughout the vlog, and we set them all out on the little dining table because they look so cute. And we just want to take a picture to remember all the memories. These are all our Polaroids from the trip. Oh my gosh, so freaking cute.
The next day.
Good morning vlog. We are in the city. Is this a city or downtown, or is that the same thing? Same thing? Okay. So we came back to the gum wall because we wanted to get more pictures of it because literally the sun was not cutting it for me, and we're actually gonna get gum. Look how cute that is. Can I get mine? So we're just hopping into day 4 with this. Is anything coming out?
Yeah.
Oh. I want the pink one. Thank you. Oh, that reminds me of my childhood right there. That's like a... It is that brand. It's that Bubble Bubble?
Double bubble.
Alright. Look at you. Oh. It's actually good. Like, I don't want to spit it
I
out.
don't like it.
What's your flavor? Are they all the same?
I think so. I like the fruity flavors.
Oh. It's really sweet. I like it.
Okay, now it's actually starting to get better.
We're walking back to the gum wall so we can place these on it. Where should we put ours?
I don't know.
I don't know. I want to put it in a spot where I remember. Everything's like too far away. Do you have any suggestions? It's like filled too.
One eternity later.
All right, here he goes. We picked this spot right here just because we'll remember this door. It's too hard. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
This is yours, right?
Yeah.
Mine's pink. They go together. There we are. There you have it, guys. Pink and yellow. It's like strawberry and banana. We did it.
Yep.
Uh-oh, here we are again. We found all the pops. Let's see if Ryan actually buys one or if he just looks. Look at this bracelet. It has all pugs around it. How funny. Ryan loves cheese and they're making it right behind us. You can see huge blocks of it back there, but this is super interesting. All these little leaves are making me so happy. Just feels like fall. But I know I'm gonna go home to Vegas and it's gonna be 100-something degrees. Amazon headquarters. We're almost there. Whoa, look at the Sapphire. Is this the Sapphire? Because
Is this a fear?
I don't know how to say
Sphere.
it. Sphere.
shit and you just come out and it pays for it, like on its own.
Oh. At the Space Needle. Hey guys, we are just checking
Hi guys,
in.
my name's Ryan.
And we're actually gonna end the vlog. We just got back to the Airbnb. We grabbed our stuff. We're leaving a day earlier than everyone else. So this is pretty much it. You guys seen so much of the flying back stuff, but maybe I'll throw in some clips of us at the airport. But we just wanted to say a final goodbye and have a proper intro. And thank you so much for watching. Outro. Thank you guys so much for watching our Seattle trip. It was so fun. We loved it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a like, and if you aren't already, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Enjoy some random airport clips, because I'm sure there'll be some. Cinnamon bun time.
You should start a food channel.
Just a small town girl. Yes.
You missed it.
I make hip hop drops, my communication degree, my main degree, and I'm trying to do things. I'm inspired actor. I was under Life of Everyone, now I'm Jason. Don't miss out on my album on SoundCloud. I got 3.
Awesome.
Fairy Tales, Aurora, all into boy and to adore. Life.